Going to give you several steps to fix a Sony TV where you have a black screen where basically only the screen will not turn on. First thing to do is this, okay? Just go ahead and pull the plug from the socket, your power plug from your TV from the socket, pull it out, wait 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, plug it back in, and then turn your TV on using the remote, or you might have a button somewhere on the bottom. You can press it on like that. Turn it on and see if it still have a black screen. Still have a black screen, no problem. We're going to go to the next step. Now, if your screen is still black, no problem, okay? So again, what we're going to do is unplug it this time. We're going to plug it. Now you're going to look for the button that is on your TV, okay? Now mine, my Sony logo is here, like right underneath it. I have one little button, okay? If yours is not here, look on that side, look on the left, kind of look on the back area as well, okay? And mine's right here, okay? So with it unplugged, now I'm gonna do is press and hold this button. I'm gonna press and hold it for 60 seconds while it is unplugged. So 60 seconds, keep holding for 60 seconds. After 60 seconds or 1 minute, let go of that button. Now go plug your TV back in, and then go ahead and turn your TV on using the remote, or you can simply tap on that and see if your TV turns on. If it's still black, we're going to go to the next option. All right, so your TV is still black. Okay, so now first thing is we're going to go ahead and pull this out. Again, just like that. Now we're going to go to wherever your circuit breakers are. Now go to your circuit breaker wherever it is in your home and figure out which one goes to the TV, or mine's like in the living room somewhere. Go ahead and turn it off. Count to 5 seconds, and then turn it back on. Then come back to your TV, and then we're going to go ahead and plug it back in now. Plug it in, and then go ahead and turn your TV on and see if it turns on. And hopefully this worked for you. The thing is, if it didn't work for you, try all 3 steps again, okay? Good luck, guys. Bye.